Got this stainless steel Husky mud trough. Get real smooth seams. It's for holding like mortar and putting it in cracks and stuff. Most of the time, someone who's good at this will mix it and then put some in here and go do it. Well, I only need a little bit. I have a few cracks, so I'm going to mix it right in here and we're going to mortar some cracks. I don't particularly care to do painting or caulking or mortaring, so I am in no way very good at it, but I'm going to do it anyway. And even though I have all the good tools to do it, I expect to be using my fingers a lot. I cut this all out with a chisel hammer, and I just need to seal it up some. And if you're a good mason, please don't cringe. I'm just a DIY guy. And there we go. Just wipe it up off the edge. The other side of the porch. Okay, it'll dry up nicely. That's one side, and look at the other side over here. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay, we got two big cracks front porch. Now, this is real convenient. It's easy to carry. Good for a home user. I'm never going to have a wheelbarrow full. I would have to hire someone. I have some vertical cracks in the back porch. Big crack. This vertical crack came out nicely. All the way from about here, all the way up. And it'll keep drying over time. It's a good blend mix. Convenient to work on. Here's the final product. That's great. Let's see how it sprays out. Husky, lifetime warranty. Cleaned up real nicely. Husky stainless steel. Did the job. Welded munch pan, 12 inches.